Hello boys and girls, today we're going to make a sand dough recipe. You need 2 cups of sand, 1/2 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 1/4 cup of salt mix. I'm videotaping and making at the same time today, so you'll just see the ingredients and how I made it. I've already added 1 cup of sand into my bowl, so I'm going to put my 2nd cup into the bowl, and then I'm going to put my flour in. 1 1/4 cups of flour. Then I'm going to put my salt in. And then finally, you put in warm water. And I just made my water warm from the faucet. I left a little out to play with a little bit. Then got my spoon, and I'm gonna mix this all up. Spread that out a little bit. And then we're gonna dump the sand onto the table. Oops. And then you're just gonna knead it. It actually feels really cool. It's a little bit in between kinetic sand and mud feeling. And if it's too sticky, just add some more flour. All right. And then now we got our sand dough. So see mine, it's still quite sticky, so I am gonna put some more flour in it. And so I'm gonna sprinkle a little flour on top, so we can mix it together and it not be so wet. So if you want to put it in a container, like a sensory bin, but I'm going to be using it for an art project a little later today. Okay, I finished the sand dough. It did take me about 1/2 cup more of flour to get it to this consistency where it's nice and moldable like real Play-Doh sand dough. So my recipe, I would suggest adding 2 cups flour or add less water. But it did come out like it said. Now we can mold it and do our art project for later today. See you later.